Do this to make your suspension last ages. Your suspension doesn't just die of old age. It usually comes down to how you treat the car. First, let's look at the main culprits. Potholes and speed bumps are the obvious ones. Hitting a bump at speed multiplies the load. Then there is dirt and road salt. Salt causes rubber bushings to perish and crack much faster. It also causes nasty corrosion on metal parts. Overloading the boot is another silent killer. Extra weight keeps the springs fully compressed. How can I support this channel? Like this video, subscribe to the channel. And one worn part will ruin its neighbors. A bouncy shock absorber kills the control arms. Rule number 1 is to watch your speed. Always slow down well before the obstacle, then release the brake just before the impact. This unloads the front end so it can absorb the hit. Never brake hard while inside a pothole. That is the quickest way to snap a spring. Give the underside a proper wash regularly. Focus on the wheel arches and rubber joints. Getting the salt off after winter is vital. Keep up with regular inspections. Catching a tiny bit of play is a cheap fix. Leaving it will only cause more parts to fail. Always use high-quality spare parts. Fit decent components once instead of every year. Keep a close eye on your dampers. If they are leaking, the car may become unstable. Don't mix old and new parts on the same axle. If one side is knackered, change them both. Always check the wheel alignment after a repair. Bad tracking will eat up your tires. The suspension will need replacing eventually. But its lifespan is entirely in your hands. Smooth driving means fewer trips to the garage. Prevention is always cheaper than ignoring a problem. Keep it maintained and it will keep you comfy. What is the worst pothole you have ever hit? Tell us your stories in the comments.